Hey Geosystems, Mr. Pruis here. I'm out today, so I'm creating a short video to help you and the teachers use the Gizmos lesson to teach you our last lesson in maps called Reading Topographic Maps. Now you've all seen topographic maps already. In our review day, you had a chance to play around with some real maps. And what you need to do though, in order to do the lesson today, since it involves gizmos, is to follow your class period's PDF here for instructions. The real difference here is you have a code, a special code for each one of your classes so you need to pick the right one. And then you will launch this lesson here, Unit 0, Day 3, Reading Topographic Maps. Okay, but before we do that, let me show you an example of what this will look like. So this is the Gizmo Login. This is one from last year, but what's really important here is you just go to this link, which should be live, should be a clickable link in the PDF, follow the instructions to enroll in a class, and then use the code that I've hidden here because it's an old code and it won't work for you. Your document has the code. Okay, and then down here we're in step 4 where it says to put your name and so forth. You do not have to do that. What I would do is put it in your phone. Put it in your phone or put it in, take a picture of it and just save it in your folder on your phone, or just use the same login information, enter the same login username and password that you use to get onto the computer. Okay, and that should get you going. Okay, so then when you get into this document, you'll start out, before you do the gizmo, you'll start out by doing an ed puzzle. And the ed puzzle is right here at the top. And you click the link and it takes you to the ed puzzle page, and it will look like this. And you have this, you might remember the floating water demo. How to read topo maps will be right here. And you'll work through that. It's been assigned to all the classes. Okay, that's it really. Then after you've done the ed puzzle, which is a great intro, you'll then go to Gizmos after you've logged in using the code. Remember, this code is not yours. This is for a different class, probably than the one you're in. You follow this and complete it and submit it. The document that you're completing works you right through the Gizmo. And when you're all finished with this, you submit the document. Okay, I hope it goes well. After this, the next class period, we have the hands-on lab, and after that, we have the test. All right, and the one last thing is if you go back and look in Unit 0, Day 3, Topographic Maps, you'll see at the end here, there's a Unit 0 quiz. And this quiz, it can be taken as many times as you like to get a perfect score. I would hope everybody does it until they get 100%. It will only take about 2 or 3 tries to do that, I bet. And that will be pretty good preparation as well for the test. All right, thank you, and have a good day with it. And I'll be back to help you guys Friday.